topic is tornadoes, like I said earlier. And there is a type of scale called the Fujita scale to rate the tornadoes. F0 to F1 being the weakest, F2 to F3, like, that would be like that would be moderate, and F4, F5 would be incredible damage to houses.
Do you know what the most devastating tornado has been?
In history?
Yeah.
The 1925 Tri-State tornado. It went through Illinois, Indiana, Mississippi, and Missouri. And it was an EF5. One of the most dangerous tornadoes.
Was there any fatalities?
Yes, lots of fatalities and lots of deaths.
Isaac, I have a question.
Yeah?
Being from Minnesota and knowing that we're kind of right on the northern part of the tornado alley,
Yeah?
what is the likelihood that I will experience a tornado, like in my life?
I'm not really sure, like a 3% chance. It was very rare because in 1998, a F4 tornado struck St. Peter, and then again in 2008.
Yeah.
And I think it would be very rare for it to come further up northern to Belle Plaine area.
Okay, thank you.
I remember when I used to live in Nebraska, like my mom holding me as a baby in the basement because of a tornado.
Yeah, they do happen.
Yeah.
We come really close
It's
in Belle Plaine, but
it's a very small chance for it to happen. But if a tornado would likely to touch down here, it would be like F0 or F1.
yeah.
And it would be very rare for it to be like an F3 or F4.
Yeah, I know there's lots of tornadoes, but they really don't touch ground.
Some of them just stay in the air, and then there's dust on the ground. And that does cause damage if it gets strong enough.
Has there ever been like a tornado that was just about to touch down and then went back up?
I don't know.
I would say so, yeah.
Yeah, I would say so if there was one.
It's a fun topic to research.
There was octopus.
Interested in it. Thank you. Just underneath the table.
That don't do that much damage, and they're super small.
Also,
Like the dare, like the little dust on things.
Also in California, there's little mini tornadoes that happen.
In Hawaii, there's like no dust.
How long do you think it would take to make a small one like this?
A small one? Probably at least a week. If you're doing it by hand, then probably a little bit longer. Because
Well, what
they
if you
used
were
axes and stuff, so and he cut it down by hand like that, and it took a long time.
What if they were to travel and bring all this stuff in the logs?
Like, what do you mean, like,
This giant, like,
And you guys may switch.
Thank you, Jackson. My research topic is foxes. Baby foxes are called kits, and like a mother is called a vixen, and the males are called a dog. Foxes are very family orientated, like they will like have babies with anyone else. And foxes have 28 different main calls to communicate if in danger. And foxes can hear a little clock like ticking 40 yards away or 120 feet away. And they eat jam sandwiches.
And that's Alfred Morris. He's a rival of the Eagles. It's Alfred Morris. He's the running back for the Washington Redskins, who is a rival of the Eagles. He's been playing in the NFL for 3 years. He attended Florida Atlantic College, and his season stats were 265 attempts. He averaged 4.1 yards per carry, 1,074 yards rushing, and 8 touchdowns rushing. That's Nick Foles. He is at the Pro Bowl right now in that picture. He won the.
We're gonna do that last. Okay, so first, if you have any questions, you can just ask. Some facts I knew I didn't put on here.
Is there a reason that you did the bottlenose dolphin specifically?
I didn't write it, but I want to do the bottlenose dolphin because it's one of my favorite dolphins, and I would love to learn more about the dolphins. So that's why I picked bottlenose dolphins.
So what's the biggest dolphin?
I've never seen a big dolphin, but it's probably really big. Like a baby's about this size.
I mean, like, what's the biggest dolphin type?
Right.
I have no idea. I'd probably have to search that. If you want to look up it now before we start game.
Do you know what type of dolphin that is? Is this
It's probably a spinner dolphin.
is this the part of the exhibit?
No, it's someone else.
Well, I get an A+ for reading.
Math.
Look, there's a math problem right here.
So you have a game, Jamie?
Yeah.
Nice.
You guys ready?
That's very cool. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, so
I think I know what it is. Is it silent dolphin?
no.
Could I be the one to swing the dolphin in there? Is it catch the dolphin
Okay,
in the
so
bag?
make a big circle. Oh, it's gonna be. We're gonna need it bigger. Okay. So if you want to be the one who catches the bag, this is called Save the Dolphins. It's like hot potato, except like there's someone who is in the middle and they stay put and they have to try to catch the dolphin. And what we do at the same time, we have to go really fast because dolphins can swim about 25 miles an hour. And so I'm gonna, like, for example, you toss it to Gator, and the person who's in the middle will try to catch it. And the fact is that so many dolphins in here just die because of fishing nets. So,
Well, so I'm gonna be the deadly fisher.
Can you repeat what you just said? Guys, Jamie just said a pretty good point.
so many dolphins a year die just because of fishers' nets, because they get caught. And if you've ever seen Dolphin Tail, it's just like what happened there.
It's a cool way to demonstrate it.
Yellow fish suit. In the glass eye.
Okay, you ready?
That's good.
Okay.
That.
Chicken trying to tie. Oh, okay. So now as Max sorry through that. You did? Okay. So now you're gonna get the fisherman and Max, you can get out of this. I think you're fishing.
Take care of your bag.
All right, guys, you may switch.
Okay.
Too big, man.
Max.
Let's go to Jamie's.
They play in the Lincoln Financial Field, which is like right there. It's a picture of it. It's the greenest Field Stadium. Their coach is Chip Kelly, who had a successful career at the University of Oregon, if you remember him from there. They've never won a Super Bowl. They have been to 4 NFC champions.
And they will eat jam sandwiches. And a Latin name for a fox is called Ulops Mula. And it's handmade.
Handmade. The roof wouldn't be flat, probably. It'd probably be like that if you had a loft in it. To cut down the trees, they used an axe. Most of the time an axe, sometimes a saw. It'd take a long time to do like that. Some finished ones had a chimney.
All right, tornado quiz. All right, here we go. Question 1. The tri-state tornado, the 1925 tri-state tornado, ripped through what 3 states?
Connecticut.
Max?
What year was that in?
No.
97?
Is it in Tornado Valley?
Yes.
Oklahoma.
Iowa. No.
California.
No. No. No.
Alaska.
Isaac, is it in your report?
Alaska.
Or is this just trivia?
And Maine.
Okay.
Do you have trivia crap?
No wonder I have no knowledge of tornadoes.
Isaac.
The answer
Isaac, I have a guess. Alaska, Hawaii, and Maine.
No. Okay, so the answer is Illinois, Indiana, Missouri.
Oh, I knew that. I should have said that. I was holding back.
Okay, question 2. When did the Missouri Joplin tornado happen in what year?
1956.
No.
1849.
No,
Is it in the 2000s?
Yes, it's in the
2004.
Oh.
No.
2011.
2003.
2011.
No.
2011.
2001.
Yep, Simon's correct.
Because he cheated. He looked at the paper. No, I'm using my resources wisely, JJ.
That is true.
Can't argue
Question
that.
3. When did St. Peter get hit in what 2 years?
1988 is one?
No.
No,
1976.
1995 and 1996.
You're close. It's
1995 or 97.
what?
95 and 97.
No.
1995.
One is in the 2000s.
2001.
2000 and 1995.
99
and 99 and 01.
No.
2001 and 99.
Guys, you have your iPad. Look it up.
1999
Get it quicker.
2008.
No.
16. Well, for sure. Hey, Max. Oh, wow.
Okay, and there's someone saying that he's the fisherman and you're holding that.